In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge the Electrocutioner in Dead Rails. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a very powerful gun, and in order to charge it, you will actually have to do something special. When it is out of ammo, so when the ammo counter at the bottom left shows 0 out of 0, and you drop the weapon, this is what you are going to see when you hover over it. Needs to be struck by lightning to reload. So it is a very special way to reload this weapon. There are two methods that people use to get it struck by lightning. Because lightning is very random, if you just drop the weapon and forget about it, it can take a lot of time. The main one is going to be by using a lightning rod. The lightning rod can bait where the lightning will strike, and as long as you drop the gun right below the lightning rod, it can potentially strike it. So it is going to charge or reload the weapon. So grab yourself a lightning rod, attracts lightning but makes it harmless, and then drop the weapon right beside it. Make sure to place it in an open field and leave it be until the right weather arrives. Then lightning can potentially strike, reloading the weapon for you. Another method is by using holy water. The idea here is the same. You drop the weapon and then you sprinkle holy water all over the weapon. Don't go too far, and as long as holy water has been sprinkled over the weapon, it is also going to bait lightning strikes, allowing you to recharge the weapon once lightning strikes just right. You can repeat this as many times as you wish every time that the weapon loses all of its ammo, so either use a lightning rod or holy water. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.